Have you ever wondered what the term dispatch really means? Let's dive in and explore the definition and importance of this versatile word. According to Merriam-Webster, dispatch can be defined as the act of sending off or forwarding. It often refers to the prompt and efficient handling of a task or the sending of a message. For example, a company might dispatch a technician to a customer's location to address an issue. Or a news organization might dispatch a reporter to cover a breaking story. The term dispatch is commonly used in various industries, from logistics and transportation to emergency services and media. It emphasizes the importance of timely and efficient action. So, in essence, dispatch is about taking prompt and decisive action to address a need or situation. It's a crucial concept that helps organizations and individuals operate effectively.